it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview of our May 2024 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, you do your own prep work, which means that you have to have the dies that are used to prep that kit. So in this case, 3 dies from our latest release. And if you don't already own those dies, then your best value is to bundle them along with your paper and pre-cuts. If you already own the dies, you can exclude them and purchase just paper, pre-cuts, and instructions. The pop-up die being featured in this class is our tea and coffee pop-up. We will use that mechanism 2 ways. The first card will feature the die sort of as intended. So it will be a pop-up teacup card. There is a motion platform on that mechanism, so you can see how it's moving the tea bag as the card opens and closes. In the back, you can tuck a gift card if you so choose. All of the pattern papers for the May class are from Echo Park. I love it when they have some journaling cards that make my life easy. So I liked the journaling card that said, "Dream big and get the large cup." So that's what we'll use as the greeting. Now, while the tea and coffee pop-up decorator items are very specific, the mechanism itself is not. So for the second card, we're going to use it in a different way. This time a side fold card, the mechanism from the tea and coffee pop-up set, tripled underneath the pop-up to create 4 little motion arms. And then we're going to animate items from those border sets on those motion arms. So you can see the motion of the frying pan, the toast, the silverware, and the mug. So just a fun little love you a brunch card that you could send to anyone any time of the year just to say that you're thinking of them. Our Zoom education program is exclusive to the stores, so we don't sell kits on our website for Zoom classes, but we will direct you to the stores that are making kits. If you'll go to our website, karenburniston.com, click on the Events tab, and there you will find a list of the stores, including one in Europe, that create kits for these classes. When you get your kit, it's going to be those bulk papers and cardstocks and specialty in your pre-cuts, and then you're going to use the required dies to prep that into a class kit. And the way you do that is 10 days before the class premiere, so 10 days before May 4th, you will get an email from the store that sold you the kit, and that will include your very detailed PDF handouts as well as your prep work video where you can prep your kit along with me. Prep work is completely self-paced. You can always pause and rewind that video if you're doing it along with me. You just have to have your prep work done by class day. And that is only if you're planning on joining the live Zoom. We do record it for the students that can't make the live Zoom or they can't stay for the entire session. However, we do not make those Zoom classes public, so you do have to be a kit holder to get a link to the recording. The Zoom classes are such a great way to really get to know all the tips and tricks for using our die sets, plus you get to make a couple great cards in a fun community. Hope to see you there.